Ever wondered how to make her regret losing you? Imagine this: she's lying awake at night, scrolling through old photos, realizing she let go of the best man she ever had. Sounds good, right? Today, I'm going to reveal the powerful steps to make any woman regret losing you and how to win her back. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Gentlemen, the first crucial step in making any woman regret losing you is to stop dwelling on her. It's natural to wonder if she's in pain, if she's happy, if she's dating again, but let me tell you, these thoughts are not serving you. They're taking up valuable real estate in your mind that should be focused on you and your growth. When you continually focus on what she's doing, you're not giving yourself the space to heal and become a better version of yourself. Imagine you're a plant. The more you water and care for yourself, the more you flourish. Conversely, the more you focus on her and her life, the more you neglect your own growth. She needs to go through her own process of realization without your interference. Trust me, the more you dwell on her, the less attractive you become. Free your mind, let go of those thoughts, and start focusing on you. This is the first step to reclaiming your power and setting yourself on the path to becoming the man she will regret losing. Moving on to the next step, understanding the grass is greener where you water it. When she broke up with you, she might have been thinking that the grass is greener on the other side. It's a common misconception that leads many to believe they can find better elsewhere. But here's the truth: the grass is greener where you water it. While she's off exploring new pastures, she'll eventually realize that a good man like you is hard to find. But this realization doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, and it requires patience on your part. Don't rush into detective mode, trying to see what she's up to. Resist the urge to check her social media or ask mutual friends about her. The more you invest in yourself and your own growth, the more evident it will become to her that the grass was indeed greener with you. Think about it: when she sees you thriving, pursuing your passions, and living your best life, she will start to question her decision. She will see that you are watering your own grass, making it lush and vibrant. This is what will make her regret her choice and realize what she lost. Now, let's talk about embracing your wins and losses. Acknowledge the role you played in the relationship, both the good and the bad. Self-reflection is crucial in this process. Were there moments you compromised too much? Did you lose sight of your own values and needs? It's time to reclaim those. Stand tall, recognize your worth, and build on it. Show her that you're not just the man she lost, but a man who has evolved and grown beyond her expectations. Embrace your wins, those moments when you were the best version of yourself, and also embrace your losses, those moments when you fell short. It's through this balance that you grow stronger. By accepting and learning from both your strengths and your weaknesses, you become a more rounded, resilient, and attractive individual. Embracing your wins and losses also means setting new standards and boundaries for yourself. It means recognizing that you deserve respect and love that is reciprocated. When you hold yourself to these standards, you project confidence and self-assuredness, qualities that are incredibly attractive and will make her second-guess her decision to leave. This brings us to the fourth step: do not stalk her. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's an easy trap to fall into, especially with the accessibility of social media. Avoid the temptation to check her Instagram, see who she's with, or what she's doing. This only brings you down and makes you appear desperate. Instead, focus that energy on improving your own life. Hit the gym, pick up new hobbies, reconnect with friends, and build a life so fulfilling that it intrigues her. When you're busy living your best life, she'll start to wonder why you're not looking back at her. Think about it: the more you obsess over her and her life, the more you hold yourself back. But when you detach and start focusing on your own journey, you create a mystery around you. She'll start to wonder why you're not chasing her, why you're not pining for her, and that's when she'll start to realize what she's missing. By not stalking her, you're sending a powerful message that you're strong, independent, and capable of moving on. This is a message that will resonate with her and make her regret losing you. Gentlemen, the next step is all about realizing your potential. Who were you before you met her? What dreams and ambitions did you set aside for the relationship? It's time to revisit those. Becoming the best version of yourself isn't just about making her regret losing you, it's about finding the man you were meant to be. Work on your strengths, tackle your weaknesses, and set new goals. When you become the man she never thought you could be, that's when the real magic happens. Think about the passions you once had, the goals you set for yourself, the dreams that made you feel alive. Reconnect with those. Start taking steps towards those goals, and watch as your life transforms. When she sees you achieving, growing, and excelling, she'll start to realize the man she lost was someone extraordinary. She'll see that you are a man of potential, a man who is not held back by the past but is forging a bright future. This realization will make her regret her decision deeply, because she'll see the man you've become, a man of potential, strength, and resilience. Now, let's talk about understanding her trauma. Understand that her issues, her traumas, and her triggers will manifest in her next relationships. She might seem happy now, but unresolved problems don't just disappear. They resurface. Knowing this gives you an edge. It shows that while she's repeating old patterns, you're breaking free from yours and growing stronger. When you understand her trauma, you realize that her happiness in a new relationship is likely temporary. She's bound to face the same issues because she hasn't dealt with them. This knowledge should give you peace of mind and the strength to move forward. Her triggers, her problems, her inability to address her issues will follow her. This isn't about hoping she fails, but understanding that her journey is separate from yours. By focusing on your own healing and growth, you ensure that you don't carry old baggage into new relationships. This self-awareness makes you stronger and more appealing. It shows that you've done the work to better yourself, making you not only more attractive but also emotionally healthier. Finally, embrace your masculine identity. Set your standards, define your boundaries, and don't compromise them. The same traits that made her lose respect for you can be turned into strengths. Be assertive, confident, and unwavering in your self-worth. A woman regrets losing a man who stands firm in his identity and knows his value. Embracing your masculine identity means being true to yourself. It means not bending over backward to please others at the expense of your own happiness. It means understanding and respecting your own needs and ensuring they are met in any relationship. When you fully embrace your masculine identity, you project confidence and security. You show that you are a man who knows what he wants, who isn't afraid to go after it, and who respects himself enough not to settle for less. This is incredibly attractive and will make any woman realize what she lost. To sum it up, making a woman regret losing you isn't about playing mind games or manipulating her emotions. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Stop dwelling on her, embrace your wins and losses, avoid stalking her, realize your potential, understand her traumas, and fully embrace your masculine identity. This journey is as much about self-discovery as it is about making her see what she lost. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on men's mental health and relationships. Remember, your best self is yet to come. Start today and make her regret losing you.